Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the amazing benefits of chia seeds, what you need to know. Chia seeds are a superfood that's packed with nutrients, and we're excited to share how they can boost your health and wellness. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest health tips and recipes. Also, don't forget to check out our affiliate links in the description below for some great deals on chia seeds and other health products. We'd love to hear from you. Do you have any favorite chia seed recipes? Drop them in the comments section so we can all try them out. Be sure to stay until the end of the video where I have some great, simple ways to start incorporating chia seeds into your diet. Let's get started on this journey to better health with chia seeds. Benefits of chia seeds, what you should know. Tiny chia seeds are a powerful source of antioxidants, fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. You can simply include chia seeds into many foods to give them a healthy boost, whether you're adding them to cooked dishes or using them as a topping on cereal, oatmeal, or smoothies. Chia seeds, what are they? Chia seeds are tiny, black or white seeds that are native to Central America and are derived from the Salvia hispanica plant, a member of the mint family. Human diets have included these tiny seeds for more than 5,000 years. The Aztecs and Mayans relied heavily on chia seeds as a dietary source. The advantages of chia seeds for health: lowering cholesterol, blood pressure, promoting digestive health, helping with weight management, lowering inflammation, assisting in the control of diabetes, preventing chronic disease, and enhancing anxiety and depression. Chia seeds can make you feel more full and reduce your appetite and calorie intake since they digest into a gel-like material in the stomach. Chia seeds' powerful nutritional benefits. Omega-3 fatty acids can be found in abundance in chia seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids are critical for heart health, cognitive function, and the reduction of inflammation in the body. Alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a kind of omega-3 fatty acid, is abundant in chia seeds. Because the body is unable to create ALA on its own, eating is the only way to get it. There is evidence that eating ALA lowers the risk of heart disease. Let's talk fiber. Another great approach to up your fiber intake is by including chia seeds in your diet. 2 to 3 tablespoons, or 1 ounce, of chia seeds provide about 9.8 grams of dietary fiber. Adequate consumption of fiber has been linked in studies to a lower incidence of digestive diseases, inflammation, several cancers, coronary heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. Regarding heart health, fiber helps raise levels of heart-protective HDL cholesterol while lowering LDL, bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels. By giving the stool more volume and softness, the fiber in chia seeds can also support a healthy digestive system. This can help relieve constipation by facilitating the stool's faster passage through the intestines. Let's talk antioxidants. Antioxidants such as tocopherols, phytosterols, carotenoids, and polyphenolic substances abound in chia seeds. Chia seeds may offer protection against the following, in part because of their antioxidant content: diabetes, cancer, heart disease, Alzheimer's disease, and inflammation. Chia seeds are an excellent source of protein as well. All 9 essential amino acids are present in chia seeds. This is how you can include chia seeds in your diet. Including chia seeds in your diet is a pretty simple process. All you have to do is sprinkle 1 or 2 tablespoons over things like cereal, salads, and yogurt. Chia seeds can be used into pancake batter or other morning foods, or they can be added to soups and smoothies. Because chia seeds are mild in flavor, they are unlikely to overpower the flavor of your food. A straightforward chia pudding recipe is another well-liked method of including chia seeds in your diet. Chia seeds take on a gelatinous covering when combined with liquid, which causes them to swell up and take on the consistency of pudding. Here are some other chia recipes for your consideration. Chia water. Adding chia seeds to water is one of the easiest ways to incorporate them into your diet. To make chia water, soak 1/4 cup, 40 grams, of chia seeds in 4 glasses, 1 liter, of water for 20 to 30 minutes. For extra taste, add chopped fruit or squeeze in some orange, lemon, or lime. Chia juice. You can soak these seeds in liquids other than just water. To produce a high-fiber, high-mineral drink, add 1/4 cup, 40 grams, of chia seeds to 4 cups, 1 liter, of fruit juice and soak for 30 minutes. You will get multiple servings of juice with this recipe. Just be careful to select just fruit juice, and since fruit juice has a high sugar content, keep your consumption to 4 to 10 ounces per day. Incorporate into a smoothie. A simple and quick way to add chia seeds to your diet is to simply blend them with water. To make chia water, soak 1 cup, 40 grams, of chia seeds in 4 cups, 1 liter, of water for 20 to 30 minutes. To give your drink some taste, you can squeeze in some lime, lemon, or orange juice or add some chopped fruit. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video on the benefits of chia seeds informative and inspiring. Remember, incorporating chia seeds into your diet can make a big difference in your overall health. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest health tips and recipes. Also, check out our affiliate links in the description below for some great deals on chia seeds and other health products. We'd love to hear from you. Do you have any favorite chia seed recipes? Share them in the comments section below so we can all try them out. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.